Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some super useful functions that can help you work smarter with numbers and dates, whether you're working on spreadsheets, coding, or just want to make your calculations easier. We'll cover both mathematical operations and date functions, explain what each one does, and walk through some practical examples. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about mathematical operations. These are basic functions that help you analyze and process numbers quickly. The average function returns the average or mean of its arguments. This is perfect when you want to find the central value of a group of numbers. Let's say you have a student's scores in math, English, and biology, 85, 92, and 78. Using the average function gives you the mean score, which helps you understand their overall performance. Next up is the max function. This function looks at all the numbers and finds the biggest one. Suppose you want to know which subject a student scored highest in. We can use the max function. Enter the score of every subject and it will return the highest one. This is great for spotting outstanding performance or identifying peak sales figures in a business setting. On the flip side, we have the n function. This one returns the smallest value in a set. We can use this function to find the lowest score of a student. Let's see how it works. And finally, there's the sum function. This adds up all the values you give it and returns the total. We can use this function to calculate the total score across all subjects. Now let's move on to date functions. These are especially helpful when you're working with schedules, deadlines, or any kind of date-based data. The days function returns the number of days between two dates. This is great for calculating durations, like the length of a vacation or a project. Imagine you're filling out a leave application form. You enter a start date and an end date. Through this function, we can get the total number of leave days. Next, we talk about year, month, day, hour, minute, and second functions. These functions let you extract specific parts of a date or time. It is easy to configure. If you want to know the year of leave date, just use year, start date, and it will return the year. This is super useful for sorting, grouping, or analyzing data by time periods. Let's see how they work. Next, let's look at the today function is super helpful. It returns the current server date and time, accurate to the second. If you're generating a report, you can use today to automatically insert the current date, ensuring your data is always up to date. This is also handy for timestamping transactions or tracking when tasks are completed. So, how can you use these functions in everyday life? Let's look at a few scenarios. Calculating averages. Teachers can use average to find students' mean scores for progress reports. Finding extremes. Use max and min to quickly spot highest and lowest sales figures or grades. Summing up. Use sum to total up expenses, inventory, or any list of numbers, great for budgeting or accounting. Managing schedules. Use days to calculate project durations, leave periods, or event countdowns. Use today to timestamp reports, track deadlines, or monitor daily activities. And that's it. With these math and date functions, you can make your data work for you faster, smarter, and more accurately. Whether you're a student, teacher, business owner, or just love organizing information, these tools will save you tons of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tutorials. Have questions or want to see more examples? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.